Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to delete a message on Discord using your PC with the latest update. It's a straightforward process, so let's dive right in. First, open the Discord app on your PC. Make sure you're logged into your account and ready to manage your messages. Next, find the message you want to delete. Once you locate it, hover your mouse over the message. You'll notice 3 dots appear in the upper right corner of the message box. Click on those 3 dots to access more options. In the drop-down menu, select Delete Message. This option allows you to remove the message from the chat. After clicking that, a pop-up will appear asking you to confirm your decision. Take a moment to review, and then click Delete again in the pop-up. This final confirmation ensures that you really want to remove the message. And that's it. Your message has been successfully deleted from the chat. It's a quick way to keep your conversations tidy and free from any accidental messages. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more Discord tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and enjoy your time on Discord.